Hi, I'm Frank. I'm a product manager for Dewalt. I'm here today to show you how to maintenance your Dewalt Tough Series Construction Jack. It's always important to take care of the tools that assist you with your work each day, which is why you'll always want to store this product in a dry, secure place where it cannot be damaged when not in use. This product requires lubrication regularly for optimal lifting performance. However, excessive lubrication can cause loss of friction when under load. This can cause serious personal injury and/or property damage. Make sure to use a high-quality multi-purpose mineral oil for proper lubrication. Never use motor oil, waste oil, or very thick oils. These can damage your Dewalt Tough Series Construction Jack. First, you'll want to apply a few drops of the oil on a rag and apply to the top and bottom of the bar. The exposed lowering tab on the front of the jack's body, and the lowering tabs under the trigger here. You can spread the oil by holding the no-load quick release in its engaged position and sliding the jack body up and down the bar. With a clean rag, you can then wipe away any excess oil from the bar and jack's body. For more information, refer to your product manual or visit us at Dewalt.com.